Hey guys, welcome back to the Furtado Group. I'm Ruben Furtado, and this has happened pretty much to everybody. Either an opportunity presents itself or somebody comes up to you. It doesn't really matter how it gets to you, but it comes to you, and then you're like, wow, here's an opportunity to make some money. But how do you know whether it's worth pursuing and executing on? And it really comes down to one basic thing. In today's video, we're going to talk about what that is. All right, so there's an opportunity that you're considering, whether you found it yourself or somebody presented to you, and now you're evaluating whether or not it's worth putting your time and money and effort into it. How do you do that? And most people are like, hey, if I'm making money and it's the only opportunity I have, I don't want to miss out on it. And then they'll jump into it. Case in point, I just met with a client who literally wanted to meet with me to evaluate this opportunity that he had on the table. It's already late. He's already purchased the land and he's already well into the project. I'll give you some specifics. He bought land for $2 million. He was going to sever the lot into 6 lots, and then he was going to build 6 individual houses in Scarborough. And when we calculated what it was going to cost him by the time he was all set on the building costs, on the severance, the carrying costs, interest, and so forth, he was going to be all in for about $7 million. But that market in that area would only pay a certain price. So based on the sale, after he sells all the homes, after he sells the 6 homes, he would be netting out around $700,000 before tax. For a lot of people, $700,000 is a lot of money. And if they were able to turn around and invest $7 million and perhaps even borrow it at a high interest rate and not use their money, and over 2-3 years make $700,000, they're like, sign me up. However, here's the thing that he was missing, is that he did not have a benchmark to determine whether or not that was the best investment to actually. And when I say investment, of his time and of his money, right? So if he had spoken to, whether it be myself or any other person that might have some experience in investing in real estate, they may be able to present him other opportunities that would have been far better. Case in point, here's an example. At the same time that he bought that lot for $2 million, there was a lot that we put an offer in Oakville, and it was 1.7, it sold for 1.75. You would build a house there for about 1.3, 1.5 million. You'd be just over 3 million. A house in that area of that size of what would be built would probably sell close to 4.5 million. So after real estate fees and everything like that, you could potentially make $1 million. So on an investment just over 3 million, you would make $1 million. Compared to this investment that he had, where he put 7 million, only to make 700,000. So having a benchmark, right? And then using that as a comparison, that would have saved him so much time and aggravation. Now, the one thing is he's doing something and he's going to make some money and he's going to learn a hell of a lot, and that's very valuable. But at the same time, if he could just go back, I'm sure that he would like to. And so the key message here is when you're looking at an opportunity, make sure you have some sort of benchmark. People look at cap rates and so forth. I just look at, hey, talk to a bunch of people, find out the best opportunity, look at those numbers, and remember, it's not just about how much you're putting in and how much you're getting out. It's how much time and effort are you putting in on top of the fact that how much profit you're making up. So hope that helps, guys. If you have some other more specific questions that you want to reach out to us, all our contact information is available. So look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, take care.